New York business litigation question. When is a motion to dismiss decided? That's a very interesting question because we need to understand first what a motion to dismiss is. Second, how it is presented for consideration and decision. And third, actually how it is decided. So first, a motion to dismiss is procedural. It talks about really the evaluation of box checking with respect to a complaint and how a complaint is filed, when a complaint was filed, and what precisely the complaint contains in terms of allegations against the defendant. New York is a notice pleading state, so all the complaint needs to do is put the other side on notice of the claim. There are requirements in the context of each claim, for instance, breach of contract, fraud, tortious interference with contract, tortious interference with prospective economic advantage. There's a whole bunch of different claims and causes of action. Each one has its own elements. So a motion to dismiss can talk about, or attack rather, the sufficiency of the allegations contained in the complaint. Another motion to dismiss could be for timeliness. The claim wasn't timely filed. So the next topic with respect to a motion to dismiss is when and how is it submitted to the court. The motion is filed, opposition can be filed, and then reply papers are filed. It's the same. It can be the same for every motion in the context of a state proceeding in New York pursuant to the CPLR. It's a motion to dismiss, opposition to motion to dismiss, reply papers. There are other things, like for instance, a cross motion can be filed, but that's beyond the scope of this video here. And then there can be oral argument as well. The judge can either decide the motion on the papers and there's no oral argument, or the judge can call the parties in for oral argument. And when I say the parties, I'm referring to the attorneys for the parties, because the attorneys for the parties would be the ones who are conducting the oral argument before the judge. Once all of that stuff is together, the papers and any oral argument, the judge marks the motion as fully submitted. Once it gets fully submitted, it goes into a queue or a list or a line of things for the judge to decide. And then once the judge makes his or her decision, then the decision typically gets posted on the docket of the case, and then the parties can figure out what to do from there, accept it, appeal it, settle, any number of courses of action. I am New York business attorney James DeCristofaro. I have been admitted to practice law in New York since 2002. Give us a call at our office, 212-500-1891. You can schedule a complimentary 10-minute phone call with one of our attorneys. Or you can go to our website, thelawyerjames.com, thelawyerjames.com. You fill out a contact form there. Please understand that this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not legal advice, should not be construed as legal advice, and if you need legal advice, please contact an attorney directly. Please also understand that this video, by watching this video, it does not create an attorney-client relationship with me or my firm or any other attorney. Now, with all that being said, we'd be happy to speak with you.